Very good morning, students. This is your chapter 12, National Leader, and today's topic is Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So we are going to read this paragraph. Here is a picture of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So let's start this. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was an Indian nationalist, teacher, social reformer, lawyer, and an independence activist. He was the first leader of the Indian independence movement. He is also known as Lokman Tilak. Okay, बाल गंगाधर तिलक वॉज एन इंडियन नेशनलिस्ट. वो एक बाल गंगाधर तिलक का नाम आपने सुना होगा. वो राष्ट्रवादी थे. ये नेशनलिस्ट, टीचर एंड सोशल रिफॉर्मर, एक समाज सुधारक भी थे. ही वॉज लॉयर ऑल्सो एंड एन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्टिविस्ट. ओके, जो स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में भाग लेने वाले एक्टिविस्ट थे. ओके, ही वॉज द फर्स्ट लीडर ऑफ इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट. ही ऑल्सो नोन एज लोकमान्य तिलक, और इन्हें हम लोकमान्य तिलक के नाम से भी जानते हैं. इनका नाम बाल गंगाधर तिलक भी है और इन्हें हम लोकमान्य तिलक के नाम से भी जानते हैं. ही वॉज द फर्स्ट लीडर ऑफ द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट. ये भारत के प्रथम लीडर थे, नेतृत्व करने वाले लीडर थे of the Indian independence movement. Okay, Tilak was born on July 23rd, 1856 at Ratnagiri. Okay, Tilak was born on July 23rd. Okay, in the year 1856 at Ratnagiri, in the present day state of Maharashtra. So Ratnagiri is in Maharashtra. Tilak graduated from the Deccan College, Pune in 1877. Okay, he got his graduation. He did his graduation from the Deccan College, Pune in year 1877. He started his career as a teacher and went on to become journalist. Okay, he started after getting his education. When he completed his education, he started his career as a teacher and he want to become a journalist. ही अपोज्ड वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन. इन्होंने वेस्टर्न जो कल्चर के एजुकेशन थे उसे ग्रहण करने से मना कर दिया था. मीन्स ही डू नॉट लाइक द वे ऑफ वेस्टर्न एजुकेशन, सो ही डिनाइड. ही मेड एन एफर्ट्स टू इम्प्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन इन इंडिया and even started the Deccan Education Society. He want to improve the education system. He want to improve the education system of India, and even he started the Deccan Education Society in India. He was इन्हें पश्चिमी सभ्यता की जो एजुकेशन, जो शिक्षा की नीति थी, वो पसंद नहीं थी और इन्होंने खुद भी उसे ग्रहण करने से मना कर दिया था, द वे दे आर टीचिंग. सो ही वांट टू इम्प्रूव द system. He want to improve the education quality in India, and even he started the Deccan Education Society in India. Okay, Tilak was a co-founder of the newspapers. Okay, he also started the newspaper and he was the co-founder of the newspapers like Kesari and Maharata. Okay, by way of these newspapers, especially Kesari, he encouraged people to fight for their right. Okay, and because he wanted to become a journalist, so he was the co-founder of the newspapers like Kesari and Maharata. And you know, students, that books, you're reading books, you're getting more knowledge, you're knowing. But after reading this, you become very very familiar about the things that जिसे आप उसके बारे में आप कुछ भी नहीं जानते. So in the past time, the people were educated, not everyone, but those who were educated, they want to read the paper. Okay, so paper, magazines, books are the thing, the way how we can spread our फीलिंग्स, आवर थाट. उस टाइम में टेलीविज़न नहीं थे, लैपटॉप नहीं थी, इतनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियाज़ की यूज़ नहीं होती थी. सो दैट टाइम द न्यूज़ पेपर्स आर द वे हाउ वी कैन स्प्रेड आवर thoughts to the people. So Bal Gangadhar Tilak wanted to become a journalist, so he started the newspaper, and by the newspaper Kesari, he encouraged people, okay, to fight for their rights. So he encouraged people to fight for their rights. Okay, he joined the national Indian National Congress in year 1890s. Okay, in the year 1890 he joined Indian National Congress party. He asked the people to fight for freedom. Okay, and he was he want to influence people. He want that everyone should fight for their right. Everyone should fight for freedom. So Tilak believed in Swaraj. Okay, what do you mean by Swaraj? Here it is written that it is self rule, because Britishers govern us. ब्रिटिश हमारे ऊपर शासन करते थे. So he was the man, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. He what is written, he was the first leader for the Indian freedom independence movement, because he believed in Swaraj. He want फुल फ्रीडम. ओके, वो ये जानते थे कि भारतीयों को स्वराज मिले. ओके, हमें हमारे भारत पे किसी ब्रिटिश का शासन ना हो, हम उसे सेल्फ रूल करें, अपने देश को हम खुद चलाएं. ही इज़ नोन फॉर हिज स्लोगन स्वराज इज़ माई बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट. इसका मतलब ये था, ये इनका स्लोगन था कि स्वराज हमारा पूर्ण अधिकार है, मीन्स हमारा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, और आई शैल हैव इट, और मैं उसे पाके रहूँगा. सो ही वॉज हिज स्लोगन एंड ही डाइड ऑन अगस्त 1 1928 मुंबई. और इस अगस्त 1 को 1920 में इनकी मृत्यु हो गई मुंबई में. सो Bal Gangadhar Tilak was also a freedom fighter and is a nationalist, teacher, social reformer, lawyer and independence activist. Okay, और इन्होंने ही ये स्लोगन दिया था कि स्वराज हमारा पूर्ण अधिकार है, और हम इसे जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है, और हम इसे लेके रहेंगे. So student, you have to revise this paragraph again, and you should point out some important things, lines in this paragraph, like this. He was the co-founder of the newspaper like Kesari and Maharat, and he believed in Swaraj, and his slogan Swaraj is my right birthright and I shall have it. Okay, his when he was born and when he was died, you have to do, means you have to learn it, you have to prepare it. Okay, next we will do the Lala Lajpat Rai.